You hear that whistle? Well, that's the Georgetown Loop. We're in Clear Creek County, Colorado, about 60 miles west of Denver, high up in the mountains. A little cooler than it is down on the plains today, so thought this might be a pretty good way to spend Father's Day. Take a train ride. I imagine this train dates back to about the late 1800s, early 1900s. I guess you hear the whistle coming down the line. I think it's engine number 9. How about that? Anyway, here's Zoila. She'll say hi. Wave. Ready to board the train? Okay. Here she comes into the station. Go ahead. I guess we'll wave at the engineer and blowing a little smoke there. Going to be a fun hour ride here, I think. Oh yeah, here we go. Georgetown Loop, they call her. Looks like they got a few cars on the track here. Beautiful country up here. About 8,500 feet above sea level. Not enough to give you a nosebleed. And for those who brought their sunscreen, they've even got an open car on here as well. Probably sit on the right side, because on this side, because that way we can get a good picture of Clear Creek. Well, that's all for now. Happy Father's Day, everybody.